What's up, guys? This is Rey-Jay back with another video. And in this one, I want to break down what's happening with SPY, Tesla, and the overall markets. I also want to give you guys a warning for tomorrow as we have more data coming out. Just know that I am not a financial planner. So tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the ADP employment change coming out. This isn't a very important employment figure, and this is one of the few employment figures that's actually coming out. And then on top of that, at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's 1 hour before the stock market opens, we have the PPI data coming out. So we have core PPI, PPI year over year, and then we also have retail sales data alongside some minor housing data. So all of that's coming out before market open for tomorrow. Keep in mind, PPI could be similar to CPI, and we are expecting a somewhat higher number on a month over month basis, at least for the month of September. And we'll see what happens, at least for the year over year data. We still are not 100% sure about that on a year over year basis, so we'll see how that goes. With all the data that's coming out for tomorrow, if you're holding anything overnight, you may believe the market will just keep going, and then this data could cause us to continue to break out for 675. If we break 670, then 680. Or if we're about to get a rug pull with PPI and our employment numbers, we could be dipping back down towards the 650s. So we'll see how it goes. On the QQQ, we're looking more bullish. We're holding up very, very nicely, continuing to run. If we end up rejecting with all the data coming out, we could return to 592. But if we're bullish, we could be breaking out for 610 plus. So we'll see if we reject or not. But overall, we're holding up well. On the IWM, we're going to see if we break 240. If we do, we could be breaking out higher for 242.5 plus. But if we lose 237, we could turn back down. Overall, I think there's potential for this to break out. So give this the time it needs. On ES, we're looking for essentially 67.50. If that breaks, we're going higher. If this rejects, we'll turn back down. As of right now, we look a bit more bullish, but it depends on the news coming out for tomorrow. So I want to see how it reacts to this resistance right here. Like I said, ES does look more bullish, but we'll see just to be safe. And then for NQ, we're looking for 25,000 to see if it rejects or not. Bitcoin's going to be testing 89,000. Tesla's looking quite good, looking for 420, the very psychological number. Do we make or break at that level? Nvidia's at resistance around 185, and Apple's trying to break out right now, looking for 277 plus. So that being said, guys, we're seeing Coinbase trying to break out for like 260. Amazon's also trying to get close to like 230 if we hold above 226. Then you have other tickers like Meta trying to push for like 615 and etc. Google's also trying to break out for like 320, and then Microsoft is also trying to push back up towards 480. So that's what we're seeing thus far. The VIX is also dipping more and could dip more to get back down to this imbalance. So for now, I just want to say the charts look bullish. SPY, QQQ, Tesla, the majority of stocks do favor upside. Tesla's actually kind of like at a resistance, but like I said before, you guys get my point. We are still looking more bullish, but this also depends on the data coming out for tomorrow. So be careful in case you're holding anything overnight. Once again, if you hold anything overnight, you have to hold through this data that comes up before market open tomorrow, the employment numbers and PPI data. So we'll see if that helps us pump more or not. As of right now, the charts remain bullish, and we'll see what happens. Thank you for listening, guys. This is a super fast update, and peace out.